Please check again. So I request you to please check because I'm in a remote area, right? Okay, fine. So how to convert the whole lot of bunch of PSC files into JPG file within few seconds, and again how to arrange it in an A4 size just for a printable format. That is another one. These are two things that we are going to concentrate tomorrow. Apart from these two, I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to make a letter, maybe stylish, maybe a gold letters, gold, like gold. How to make text with gold. We know layer style, layer effects. We know emboss. How to make use of those layer style option and to make the letter glow like a gold. Says designing, no design boards, no, on the shops you see on the top designing boards will be gold glow with gold glow. How do we give gold glow for that? Yes, somebody is trying to talk. Okay. So how to give gold glow? So I'm going to give you that three things. And fourth one, how do we convert? I mean, how do we draw the borders? How do we make some extraordinary designs using some borders or the background or something like that? We are going to see some shortcuts. Okay, that is a plan for tomorrow. Am I clear to you? That is a plan for tomorrow. So tomorrow we wind up the class, and day after tomorrow, Friday is a holiday. You will not have class on Friday. Saturday you will have exams. Saturday you will have final exams. Saturday you will have final exam. I request you to get ready. So the format will be, external totally 100 marks, 25 marks and 25 marks, totally 50 marks already over. So we will have test 150. Yeah, I am talking. Am I not audible? Am I not audible?
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Yes, sir,
You are
audible.
audible, sir.
You are very much
Then
audible.
some say that I am not audible. Dinesh Kumar, Dinesh Kumar, am I audible to you? Others say I am audible.
Sir, you are audible, sir. Audible.
Yeah, yeah. So Saturday, you will have test for 50 marks. Okay, 25 plus 25. Test 1 25, test 2 25, totally 50 marks plus 50 marks, the final test. Okay. Final test pattern I have put already in the group. 20 marks for one word, and remaining 30 marks, two practicals will be there. Two exercises will be small ones. Small practical exercises will be there. So totally 2 into 15, 30 marks. So 20 plus 30, totally 50 marks. Totally 50 marks will be given, right? So it is on Saturday. Both the batches, the test will be conducted. You, based on your convenience, you can attend either morning or evening. Okay, either you attend the morning batch or evening batch. Okay. Any clarification with the announcements that I have given you? Any clarifications with the announcements that I have given you?
No, sir.
Are you all okay with all the announcements? So
Yes.
those of you who have difficulty writing or taking your test Saturday, maybe you can try even before late night also, you can complete it. If not, please, timing as usually, pa. Nelson sir, as usually. Morning 10 o'clock, evening 5:30. 5 o'clock, we can start early, 5 o'clock. So you can join the test as per your convenience. Okay. Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you? Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Any difficulty? Please personally give me your your difficulties in the group. Let me see what could be done. Okay. So I'm just sharing the screen. Let us just try to have overall tour about the menu. And now I shall give you the demonstration on filters. Then we shall move on. If you have any clarification also, you can ask today and tomorrow. We will wind up by maybe after the final test. After the final test, we will have the valediction in 1 week. Okay. Is it visible to you? Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Right. Right now, I'm going to take up a picture. 1 minute. Yeah. I'm just taking up this Kalam's picture, right? My the screen may be visible very much smaller. I'm sorry for that. Now look at here. The file menu, almost about few things that you know it. Okay, few things that you know it. And tomorrow we are going to see how to make a website. How to make a website. So it is an optional session for those who know website designing and UI designing. For that, see save and web option will be used. And other options, see as the resource person or guest, they say Photoshop is an ocean. So we have learned few tricks and design tactics so that we can design our own different designs like invitation, visiting card, or a greeting card, book cover, or anything that you wanted to design. Kindly hold on for 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to take you for see here. We are going to just go through for filters, which is one of the very important aspect in Photoshop. Filters, right? Okay. Right. Look at here. In filters, we have got so many filters are available. Okay. So many filters, starting from artistic to other. Just get to know the differences because we are, taking each one, you will have to take 1 day. Each one you need to take 1 day separately. Only then you will be able to know it thoroughly. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Look at here. Artistic. I go for artistic. Okay. In artistic, you have got so many options. See, colored pencil, cutout, dry brush, film grain. See, so many options. I can just show you for model few things, right? Just click on colored pencil. Look at here. I just clicked it. So look at here. In colored pencil itself, you have got so many options available. See, in colored pencil, look at here. When I click here, I can increase the pencil width. See, just using pencil, how do you do? So pencil width can be increased. See, if you increase the pencil width, the picture, see stroke pressure, the sharpness of the stroke, the pencil, and the paper brightness. See, as if you have painted this with a pencil. This doesn't look good, but when you have black and white images, that will be fantastic, right? See here with the strokes. See, I'm just reducing the paper brightness, and see you can adjust the stroke, the pencil width also. You can adjust it and you can see, right? Okay. See here there are so many other options are available. For example, using smudge stick, rough palettes, all these things are available there in the menu. So either you can choose it here or from the menu. You can choose it here or from the menu. Am I clear? So this is with regard to colored pencil. Am I clear to you? See, please adjust the brush size, right? Am I clear to you? Once again, I shall show it to you. Go to filter, artistic. I just choose colored pencil. I click over here. See here. You can adjust the, see, for example, see, I can adjust one of these. For example, look at here, dark strokes. See, am I clear to you? As if you have painted it. Am I clear to you? Look at here. See, I increase the black intensity. See, when I reduce the black intensity, white intensity. See, I'm increasing the white intensity. So you'll get the picture that as if you have painted it. as if you have painted it, right? So you can choose like this. For example, look at here, glassy look. So look at here, as if you see it from a glass. Am I clear? See smoothness. When you increase the smoothness, then it will be very clear. It won't be good. See, and scaling. Increase or decrease the scaling. You'll get the difference. As if you will see through peep through the picture through a glassy window or maybe through a glass. Okay, right. Like this, there are so many options. You can click and see ink outline. See, I can increase the stroke. Dark intensity, I can increase it or I can decrease it. Light intensity, I can increase it or decrease it. See, as if I have painted. Am I clear to you? So I can also show you the same with the other picture also so that you can see. See, Vadivel is, this is a picture. Now look at here. I just go to filter, artistic, colored pencil. In colored pencil itself. See, I'm sorry. 1 minute. Yeah. Am I clear to you? Right, look at here. See, I'm choosing crayon. See, I can increase the foreground color. See, foreground color that can be chosen by you. See, that can be chosen by you. Look at here. See, adjust the foreground color. See, foreground color, I just choose maybe black color. See, I've chosen black color and the background color. Look at here, background color white. I go again to filter, artistic, colored pencil. I just fix it first. Yeah, colored pencil. Look at here. This is about pencil. Now I go here and choose the second one, crayon. See here. I can adjust the, see here, foreground level. See, stroke length. Okay, you can adjust it and you will see the difference. And I just choose the yeah,
sir,
please, yes.
somebody's mic is open.
Yeah, sister, those are, let me, those of you who have opened your mic, please close it. I couldn't check it. Please close your mic. I think all the mics are closed, madam. Anugoyal, madam, could you please close your mic?
But sir, somebody's
Madam?
mic is open, sir.
Madam? Is that okay now? Is that okay now? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Please close your mics. Yeah, thank you. So look at here, I can just go for the third, maybe third one, dark strokes, okay? Or dry brush. I just click here, dry brush. Look at your brush size. See, I can increase the brush size. I can increase the brush size, 1 minute. I can increase the brush size and brush details, texture. Increase the texture. Since it is a bigger file, it takes long time. It takes long time. I increase the brush size once again. See here. See, mild modification is seen here, but you are not able to see it as you have seen it with other options. Now I go for graphic pen. Or mosaic tiles or neon glow, note paper, ocean ripple, paint ups. See, I just go for paint ups. I've chosen it. I just increase the size. Are you getting it? See, are you able to get it? This is a bigger file, so we are not able to get it easily. So I just make it with this. Okay, right. I go here, artistic, colored pencil. And from here, I just go take anything. Just take anything and see graphic pen. I have taken graphic pen. Look at here. See, I can reduce the stroke length. See, as if you have painted on your own with the stroke, pencil strokes. as if you are painted on your own with a pencil stroke. So all these are feasible here under artistic. Sorry, look at here. Colored pencil. You click on colored pencil, you will get all these things. And you also have other options. For example, I just go with watercolor, right? I click over here, watercolor. Look at here. I can adjust. See, I can adjust the brush details. I can either increase or decrease. Shadow intensity. See, you decrease it. Texture, if you want increase it. Otherwise, decrease it. Sometimes you will not have the exact image, but you will. It will look like the image that you had, right? See. See, I go for patchwork. This is called patchwork. See here. See, full of works, patchwork. Look at here. You can choose the texture here. If you want to have grain or mosaic tiles, look at here. See here at the bottom, texture. See, like grains. Okay.
Sir,
You can adjust it. You can adjust the scaling. Yes. Yes, please. Yes,
tiles,
please.
we have printed types of tiles, no, sir. For that, they will use this type of things, sir.
I couldn't get you. Could you please be little more louder, ma? Because I'm in an uncovered area. Please be louder.
Sir, am I audible?
Please. Yeah. You're audible, sir. Yes.
Sir, regarding
Tell me, sir.
sir, as you mentioned that here we can use many types of like gradients and all. Sir. In tiles, we have some printed types of tiles. Sir. They use these types of things and they will print in tiles and they will bring it.
Sir, I'm sorry. I'm not able to get it at all. Sir, put your question in the chat, sir. I'm not able to get you properly. I'm sorry. Because I'm in an uncovered area network. Please put your queries in the chat, sir. I couldn't get you. I'm just looking for your query in the chat, sir. Okay, I shall wait for the query until it comes. I'm just looking for, sorry for the inconvenience caused. Now I shall go for, look at here. You can choose any of these. For example, see the models are given here. See here. You can adjust the tile size. See, you can increase the tile or you can reduce the tile size. Look at here. Okay. And see here the width of the tile. And light, you can darken it or lighten it. Am I clear? So this is with regard to the options that are available at the bottom. Similar way, plastic wrap, palette knife, paint dubs, neon glow. See, I just go with neon glow. Look at here. Because the color can be chosen on your own. The color can be chosen on your own. See here. Glow size. See. You can increase it or decrease it. Okay, this is with regard to neon glow. Right? The similar way, you have got so many other options. Please, you can click and just experience all the options. It takes time. You will have to work slowly. Maybe each day when you are free, no, you just go through all the artistic models, all the artistic filters that are available here. Please go through and just adjust the knobs. You will make it clear. See, this artistic is to make the picture look like a drawn one. There are various painting methods are there. So by using all these methods, you'll be able to get the output of your own pictures in a painting format. You can even give it as a gift, right? The next one, we go for blur. Let us check for that out. Yeah, Bala, maybe tomorrow you can ask Bala. Yeah. Thank you, Bala. Thank you. Now look at here, second one. We are moving on for blur. You know what I mean by blur? Blur is, for example, you can choose a particular portion. For example, see if you are in a garden, if you have a GSLR camera, you shot in a way that you shoot a picture or you take a picture in such a way that you blur the other things than the picture. For example, look at here. I'm just going to choose the other portions than the background. For example, look at here. I'm not going to choose the choose Abdul Kalam. I'm going to choose the background. Okay, see, I'm just drawing over Abdul Kalam. I'm not done it properly. Okay, right. I've chosen it. Now I will have to choose the other portion. What should I do? Can anyone tell me? Other than the selected area, how should I choose? How should I choose the other than the selected area?
Inverse.
Yes.
Inverse.
Control Shift I. Control Shift I. So I have chosen. Now go for filter blur. See here, there are so many blurs are available. Average. I just click average. See, with one click, that has become, see, completely not known. You go for blur, then click blur, blur option. See here, have you made the difference? Could you make the difference? See here, with one click, you are able to see it is blurred. The picture is blurred. Once again, I shall go blur more. I just click over here. See, it is blurred more. For example, I shall do it with Abdul Kalam's picture. Then only then you will be able to understand, because the background is blurred. Have you seen this? See, originally it was like this. Look at here. Originally it was like this. After blurring, it looks like this. Right now, look at here. I'm just going to choose. Blur. I just go for blur. Blur. Have you seen that? Seen that? Look at here. The face has become little blurred. One minute, I shall make it again. Filter, blur, blur more. Have you got it? See, I just undo it. See here, it was good. Now it has become blurred. Am I clear to you? Do you see the difference?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
shall just make it bigger. Look at here. See, this was previously. I'm sorry. See, this was previously. Now look at here. Do you see the blurredness?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, that is that you can select it and make it blurred. This image itself is blurred image, so you are not able to see it. See, box blur. I just click over box blur. Look at here. You are able to see the difference. See? Are you able to see the difference?
Yes,
See?
sir.
Completely I'm hiding the picture. See? Something which is not at all known. See? Box blur. You can even adjust it here and there, and you can just have the preview. This is called box blur. You can select the area and blur it. For example, I just choose a picture from internet. 1 minute. One minute. I have chosen an image. Am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you? Yeah. Kindly hold for some time. 1 minute. I'm trying to get some good picture. Okay, I'm just getting this picture itself, right? I've got this picture. Now what do? I have chosen this picture. See here. I have chosen one part of this picture. I've chosen this portion alone, right? Now I go to filter, blur, and box blur. Look at here. Are you able to see the difference? Are you able to see the difference? See here.
Yes, sir.
You can select few areas and make it blur. only your picture or your photo alone can be visible clearly. Other things can be adjusted and make it blurred. See, this is box blur. Like this, there are so many blurring options are available. Look at here. Just go to blur, Gaussian blur. Look at here. You adjust it. You adjust it and see the differences. Am I clear to you? Look at here. Based on the radius, you can mild way, you can blur it, and only your picture alone is visible clearly. Right? This is with regard to Gaussian blur. Likewise, there are so many with for example, motion blur. Motion blur, for example, you would like to have an effect of a sportsman running, maybe moving train or moving bus. So you can choose a bus and you can give motion blur. For example, look at here. You can adjust it, and it will be blurred, like moving. The stroke can be given whichever area that you want to go for stroke. See, adjust it, and you'll get the stroke as if it is moving, right? See here, I've made the stroke. I have made the stroke. Am I clear? See, I can make the differences. See, as if it is moving, right? For example, the wheel can be done. The wheel can be chosen, and you can blur it. This is called motion blur, right? I go blur again. Smart blur, surface blur, shape blur, radial blur, something like that, right? You can try out all these blurs, right? For example, this is radial blur. This is about radial blur. Are you getting it? See, you will make it only in the center portion. Okay, you will make it in the center portion. See, for example, spin means see completely like this. Okay, look at here. Am I clear to you? Once again, I shall make it. Control Z. I just Control Z, go to filter, blur, and radial blur. Okay, see, you can adjust it. You can adjust it. For example, look at here. See, have you got it? Okay, this is radial blur. Okay, then look at here, smart blur. I just go with smart blur, then I shall just look at here. You can adjust the radius, and you can adjust the threshold. Press OK and see. Are you able to get it? See on the top. See on the top the mountains. Look at here. Are you able to get it? See the mountains. See, it was like this. Previously, it was like this. See, this was like this. See now. See, the mountain alone has become blurred. Smart blur. This is called smart blur. So it will automatically choose a particular area and blur it. Am I clear to you? So automatically blur it, the area by itself. See, the mountain has become blurred. Once again, I shall do that same. Blur, smart blur. Adjust the radius. Look at here. Are you able to get it? See, the mountain has become blurred, right? Some kind of artistic effect. Okay. So this is with regard to blur. So please go through. The blur option is used for blurring the background or making it dull or making it, a little not very clear. So all these effects can be given. Just go through one by one. Then we'll move on for brush strokes. So we are going on for brush strokes, right? This is also kind of painting like, okay. I just go brush strokes, okay. Accented edges. I just click over here. There are so many models are here. Look at here. Accented edges, angled strokes, cross hatch, dark strokes, ink outlines, pattern, space stroke, sumi. You look at here. I shall adjust. This is with regard to accented edges, right? Look at here. You can adjust the edge brightness. Am I clear to you? Smoothness. Go for the smoothness, and it will be very smooth. See here, as if we have painted this. Okay, I shall do this with another picture. Look at here. This Vadivelu picture I have taken. Filter, brush strokes, accented edges. It takes very long time because it is a big file. The image is very big, so it will take quite long time, right? Are you getting it? See, I just adjust the smoothness, and you will get it. adjust it, you will see it. See, it is very dark, and you can even you can increase the brightness, adjust the smoothness. See, adjust the smoothness, adjust these three knobs. You will get as if it is painted. You will have to make it clear. Slowly you work on it, then you will get it right. So due to the file size, I'm just going back with Abdul Kalam's picture. Go back to filter, brush strokes, and I'm just going for the third one, cross hatch. See here, it is cross hatch, right? So you can increase the length of the strokes. See, as I increase, the picture clarity goes down, and the sharpness of the brush. See here, the sharpness. For example, if you want to make it only with the Kalam's picture alone, you can make it. Other than the background, only the Kalam picture has to be given as a stroke. See, sharpness and the strength. See, am I clear to you? Stroke as if you are painted, right? This is cross hatch. And the next one, you can either go to the menu or you can try here itself. See here, the 7 models are here. I just go for dark stroke. I just click dark stroke, increase the balance. See here, and black intensity, increase the black intensity. Black color goes high. You can reduce it if you want to go for white intensity, and it will be very clear. See, am I clear? Exactly like a picture which is painted. Am I clear to you? So I shall make my own picture so that you will be able to make it difference. For example, I just try to get my own picture and make it. One minute. See, for example, I have my own picture, right? I go to filter, brush strokes. I go for dark strokes. See here, I increase the white intensity so that the paint may look clear, and reduce the dark intensity. Reduce the dark intensity and increase the balance. As if we are painted. As if we are painted. We'll get the image as if we are painted. Am I clear to you? This is with regard to, see here. See, the picture looks like a painted image. Earlier it was like this, and now it has become like this. Am I clear to you? Am I clear? Are you able to see the difference? Am I audible to you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the picture itself is not that great, so that's why you are not able to get it properly. Now just for model only. Okay. Go to filter again. I just go for ink outline, right? See here. I can again adjust the strokes. Okay, dark intensity, you can increase it or decrease it. Light intensity, you can increase it so that lights are given. Okay, stroke length, you can adjust the stroke length. Okay, dark, and you can increase it or decrease it. Right, this is dark ink outline. And spatter. See here, see here. See, for example, if you want to choose an image, and you can adjust with this spatter. See here. For example, if you want to blur the image, or if you want to hide the image, maybe ladies, or in a picture, if you want to hide certain images, you can use this. And sprayed strokes. See, this is sprayed strokes. Am I clear to you? Sprayed strokes, right? And spray radius. See, you can increase it. For example, this can be done like this. For example, look at here. I just select. I have chosen this picture. I'm choosing the other than selected area. See, the border alone is chosen. Now I go to filter. I go to brush strokes, spatter. I just click over spatter. Now look at here. I just adjust. I think this very small file we are not able to get it right. Okay, I shall do it with the full picture. Okay, sprayed strokes. So I have told you already. See, you can select it and adjust it, and the area also can be chosen. For example, this is diagonal. Right diagonal means from the top corner to horizontal means see the similar way horizontally. You can even make it left diagonal means from left to vertical means from the top. So you can adjust. So all these are there, right? This is with regard to brush strokes. Then we move on for distort. So it is very interesting. I shall just tell you, very, very interesting. This distort. I just go back to Abdul Kalam's picture, go to filter, distort, diffuse glow. I just click over. There are three distort. There are three options are available. See grainness. You can reduce the grainness, increase the grainness. Are you able to see the grains over the image? Small grains. And the glow amount can be increased or decreased. See, the glow can be decreased and clear. See, for example, if you want to clear it, you can increase it. If you want to dull it, you can reduce it. See the grains. This is glow, diffuse glow. And the glassy look. See here. Distortion. Distortion can be increased or decreased. Am I clear? See, it can be increased or decreased. If it is increased, then clarity won't be here. Won't be good. As if you are seeing an image from the glass. This is distortion. See, I am reducing it. And the smoothness can be increased. As you increase the smoothness, the picture will be clear, right? And you can see here there are so many models. Blocks. If you want to go for blocks, see block. And this is with regard to canvas. See, this is canvas and frosted. And the last one is tiny lens. See here, from the tiny lens, if you are able to see tiny lens, small ones, and you can even adjust the scaling. I increase the distortion and you can see, you can make it bigger or smaller. So this is with regard to glass. And ocean ripple. You know how ripples that goes around the picture. Look at here. I can increase and ripple magnitude. I can reduce it. I can increase it. See ripple size. See, with one click, I'll be able to get an image with a rippled strokes over the picture. So I will get the picture as if it is painted, right? This is with regard to first one, distort. We go for the next one. Go to filter, distort, and this is with regard to diffuse glow. And I go for the other option. See, for example, there are so many interesting options here. Ocean ripple. I've given it already. Ocean. I've clicked ocean ripple. See, it is already given. Now I go for the next one. Distort, twill. See here, twill, wave, zigzag. You can just see here. The picture can be see here. Am I clear? See, sometimes the funny pictures, no, it is done. I'm sorry for doing it with this, but some funny pictures or some images can be, a selected area alone can be done like this. Selected area alone, not necessary that entire picture, right? Distort, I go for twill. Wave,
Okay.
see here.
Panirla.
Wavy. Am I clear? See here.
Okay. I'll send you order
See?
number. Okay.
The wavelength can be, see? Am I clear? See the difference? Have you got the waves? See, at the background, the wavy thing has come, right? You can even do it with you can do it with backgrounds. Selecting the background alone, then you can do it with this. That's it. 12. Am I clear to you? See here. Once again, I shall see the other way also. I'm sorry. So you can choose the background and you can do that, right? That is with regard to distort. So I request all of you to please go for the distort. And then I go for lens correction.
Offer one is all 33.
Just click over here.
I'll go 33.
See, for example, custom. See, how do you look at the picture? That's what we mean by lens correction. See, you can increase it as if you see the picture using a lens. Am I clear? See, look at here. See in the picture, no. For example, sometimes in the magazine you could have seen. How do you see a picture from a lens? That is what. See, you can increase it or you can decrease it by adjusting it. Am I clear to you? As if you see it from a lens. Am I clear to you? You can adjust the knob. See, maybe angle can be chosen or vertical perspective can be increased or decreased. See here. See, horizontal perspective. See, from this side, from this side. All these things, the amount of the darkness around the corner. See, okay, midpoint. All these things you can adjust and see. This is with regard to distort and lens correction, right? Okay, I go for the next one. Noise. Noise, grains, adding grains. Adding grains, that's what we call by noise. Okay, adding grains. For example, I just click over here, add noise. See, grains. I increase the amount of grains. Look at here. See, full of tiles like. And see here. Am I clear to you? See, this is adding grains. Uniform or Gaussian. You can choose any one of these. Okay. It can be also monochromatic. Okay. Look at here. As if you have done it from the tiles. Am I clear? So you can adjust the brush and see. You can reduce it and see. See here. Reduce it and see. As you have done it using a small tiles like ceramic painting, like ceramic one. Like, am I clear? Adjust it, and this is called monochromic, right? Monochromatic. Okay. Go again to filter, noise, and despeckle. See, there are only 5 options. I just give you all these 5. That has been worked out. Look at here. Despeckle, that works with one click, right? Increase the radius. See here. You can adjust and see, increase the radius. As you adjust the radius, then you get the strokes. And threshold also, you can increase the threshold. Look at here. See the noise threshold. See, it is like a painted image. It is like a painted image, like watercolored image, like, right? See, originally it was like this. Now, see here, it is like this. So this is with regard to dust and scratches. And median. I just click over median, increase. See here, are you able to get that difference? Adjust it. See, this is with regard to median. Grains will be there, but it gives you a look like watercolor, right? Earlier it was like this. See here. Okay. Now the final one of noise, reduce noise. I just click over here. See, strength, you can increase it. Even if the noise is there, if the resolution is not that good, you can reduce the noise and sharpen the details. See, earlier it was like this. Now see here, look at here. Even the small dots over the coat, no, that is removed. Look at here. Are you able to get the difference? Are you able to get the difference? See, originally it was like this. Originally it is like this. See, when I did it, see here, it is removed. The grains over the coat is removed. Have you got it? Do you see the difference?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Once again, I shall do it. Look at here. It was originally like this. I used noise, reduce noise. Look at here. I just even sharp, reduce the noise. Now look at here. Look at the picture. Earlier it was like this. See now. Am I clear? Okay. That is with regard to reducing noise. Adjust the knobs. You will be able to see. And that is with regard to noise. And to go further, I've got pixelate. Pixelate. Next one is pixelate. Color half tone. I just click over here. 1 minute. I'll quickly go through and finish it on time. You can adjust and see. Filters. Pixelate. Look at here. You can adjust the channel one. For example, see there are 4 channeled colors. For example, here I just give it as 150 and the channel 100, the fourth channel 100. Now look at here. See, are you able to get it? Being the available color, you will get like a design, right? That is what we call by pixelate. This is color half tone, crystallize. See, look at here, crystals. Now, for example, when you make the picture with the ceramic, like for example, look at here, I just increase the pixel of the cell. See here. Now look at here. See. Am I clear to you? Earlier it was like this. Now adding crystals, it will look like this. For example, if you want to hide any face, no? For example, if you want to hide a face of a child from the picture, or maybe a man, see, I select it, go to pixelate, crystal. See, I'm able to hide only the face alone, right? Okay, this is pixelate. I just go for the facet. See, it looks good, no? See, I just go take it. Look at here. I have not selected the particular portion, the entire portion. I go to pixelate, facet. See, it gives you like a painted image, painted picture. Am I clear to you? With one click. Okay. For example, see, I just go take up Surya's picture. See, look at here. Go to filter, pixelate, facet. Okay. Do you get it? See here, painted image. It is a painted image. It looks like a painted image, not the original one. Painted image, like, right? Okay, that is pixelate. Okay, so please go through pixelate, and you will have see if you would like to have mosaic option. See here, if you want to dull a picture face alone, for example, see here, I just choose his face. I give the mosaic effect for his face alone. I want to hide the face. Find out who he is. You can use this mosaic option. Look at here. You can increase it so that people will not identify easily. See, find out who he is. Yeah.
News channels, no, sir.
Yeah. That's what mosaic. You know, not only news channels and papers also they put it. For example, women, children. Okay, some sensitive cases they hide it like this. Is mosaic. Okay, this is pixelate. Am I clear to you? This is pixelate, hiding a particular area. Right. Shall I move on for the next? Due to want of time, I'm just moving on for the next one. Clouds render. See, next one I'm going for clouds. See here, I just click over here. See here, the entire area has become cloudy. Now I have to choose the area and make it cloudy. For example, only this white area. I've chosen only this white area. Go to filter, render clouds. See here, I'm getting cloud. Am I clear to you? See, the background is cloudy, right? I go again, filter, render, difference clouds. See here? Okay, another background. Now I go back, filter, render, fibers. Get the variant, see here, strength. You can increase the strength and see. See? Okay, this is another background that I get. Now I go to lens flare. I just click over here. See, I want to have the lens here over his head. See, I can increase the size. Or I can take up on the top, or I can keep it somewhere here. See, for example, I can keep it here. I want to have the light effect. Look at here. I can get the light effect on the image. For example, I want to do it with Abdul Kalam's image. Please carefully note it. I shall finish on time. I'm sorry for taking your time.
No issues.
Filter, render, see lens flare. I just go for lens flare. Look at here. I just want to have the light on his top. See, I can increase the brightness. See, I can increase or reduce the brightness. You can have it in your head exactly, or you can adjust. See, the diameter of the light is also can be adjusted. See here. See the stroke. See, are you able to see the lens types? I have chosen the first one. This is the second one, and the third one, and the fourth one. You can increase the brightness. See,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yes, madam.
That lens flare is not activated, sir. What to do?
See, it will be there, madam. It will be, you'll have to select, see,
It's
for
there, sir.
example,
There, but it is blur, not highlighted like other options.
lens flare is not highlighted.
Ah, yes, sir. It's not.
Okay.
It's blur. Uh, and up below this, one more is there, no? Lens flare.
Lighting effects, yeah. Both are not available. Okay, let me check it, sister. Let me check it. Just listen now. Let me check it. Yeah, let me check it maybe at the end of the session. When you
Yes,
share
sir.
the screen. Yeah, I just click lens flare. Look at here. See, look at here. I'm just having this lens flare here. See, now look at the picture. See, as if I get the sun rays. Am I clear? See here. Artificially, I'm making a sun ray here. Am I clear? Once again, I shall do it. Please carefully note it. Go to render, lens flare. See, I just click over the first one. I can decrease the brightness. See here. See, as if I get it on. If I want to get it at the back side, for example, look at here. I would like to bring it back of the Surya. I just take him here. I've taken him here. I've deleted.
Now 5:30 it will be
Now
ready.
I'm just having Surya's picture here, right? Imagine that I have the Surya's picture here. Now, how it can be used? I'm just giving you an example.
Maybe on the way up.
Now I
already
want to
went
bring that lens flare over behind his head.
5:30.
Go to render, lens flare. Just press OK. See here. Around Surya's head, I'm able to get the length. Once again, I select Surya. Go to filter, render, lens flare. See, I'm able to get the color. Or you can even select the background picture. Go to filter, render, choose lens flare, and keep it exactly where the Surya's head is there. See, are you able to get it? See, I can get it. Am I clear to you? So like this, you can get the lens flare so that the entire area becomes very bright. And next one, I go for the lighting effect. Render, lighting effects. I can see here. I want to see. I can adjust the light. See. Once again, I shall show you. See, I can adjust. Okay. Or I can even reduce it. Only that particular area will be bright. All the other area will be darker. See here. Am I clear to you? Only that particular area is alone darker. Other areas are brighter, darker. The selected area alone is bright. Once again, I shall do it. Go to filter, render, lighting effects. I click over here. See, you can adjust it manually. See, I can adjust it manually. Accordingly, you will have dark or bright. See, you can adjust it. See, I can adjust this way. I can increase the size. See, the angle also can be adjusted so that see, am I clear? Now look at here. Look at here. From one area, the light comes. Am I clear? So you can give lighting effect to the picture. From one particular area, the light effect that comes. Right? Okay. Shall we stop or shall we continue? Shall we stop or shall we continue? Shall we stop or shall we continue? It is time.
Sir, please stop. Stop, please.
Yeah. Okay. Now, listen here. So tomorrow, please plan it in such a way that we will have little longer session. Okay. Please be available. Be patient for longer session tomorrow because I want to cover as the maximum. I want to give you the maximum. So whatever feasible, I will give you. As I have told you earlier, tomorrow the things that are going to be covered are the remaining filters. See, look at here. The remaining filter option, I'll just run through and I'll give it to you, maybe one or two. Okay. Then another beautiful option is there. See, transform, you got the scale, rotate, skew, distort, warp. All these options, I'm going to give you a demonstration on that. It's a wonderful option. I wanted you to learn this So I'm going to give you demonstration. Then I will also give you how to convert the files, PST files into JPG files as a batch, as a whole.
This is not
Then
there.
how to arrange all the files in a in an area where you will have you will make it tiled and give it for printing, maybe for printable format, 12 into 18 or A4 size. Okay, all the files will be automatically arranged and be converted. Even if you have 500 files, it will be automatically arranged. Those two things. Then I will also give you glow option. How to make a letter glow like gold letters, gold colors for banners or the shop boards, no, on the top, advertisement banners. So that I'm going to give you. Then the borders. So all these things we are going to cover. So we start the session by tomorrow 5 o'clock. It may go up to 7. So though it is optional. Those of you who would like to learn, completely wait and learn till the end. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I shall share the
Thank you,
attendance for
sir.
you. Just hold on for a moment. I shall share the attendance. Just hold on for a moment.